And how sad is it today that people, the vast majority of the ummah, have neglected some of the obligatory prayers. And the vast majority have neglected Salat al-Fajr. Sleeping comfortably in his bed, on his comfortable pillow, that will become a source and a reason of his punishment in his grave. Missing Salat al-Fajr. How is such a person going to be protected from the fitan and fitnatul Dajjal when he comes out? When you miss Salat al-Fajr and you wake up the next morning, you've woken up upon a major sin. And you start off the day with a major sin. This is a huge matter that you need to pay attention to. The matter is serious. As-salat is serious. If it's upright and perfect and you've looked after it, then all your righteous deeds are going to be in tip-top shape. And if a salat is crooked and there is no concern in it, missing Salat al-Fajr for 6 months and then praying it once every 6 months on time, then all your deeds of Al-Quran and charity and voluntary fasting and everything else is going to be ruined and destroyed, non-beneficial. هذا حديث النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. So pay attention to this. From the greatest matters that protect you against al-fitan, especially fitnatul Dajjal, are the righteous deeds, and above the list the prayers, and above the list the obligatory prayers, especially al-Fajr wal-Isha. The one who misses al-Fajr is a munafiq, in the words of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So not made up words. And the one who prays it in congregation in al-masjid, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam gives good news to such people, that they will have light. They will walk with light on the day of judgment, when everyone is in darkness, in chaos, in suffering and calamity. Until you're clear, your vision is clear, not only in the afterlife, but also in this world, the life, you'll be able to navigate the fitan. So be careful of this matter. Every Salat al-Fajr you pray, you are protecting yourself against fitnatul Dajjal and the fitan that exist.